Alright, greetings and salutations. It is a Wednesday in Seattle, Washington. Approximately it's probably 5:10 in the afternoon. And I am driving over to head to Momo's Kebab. It's a shawarma place. Pretty popular. Well, I don't know. Yelp has their food. Yelp has some really good ratings on their food. And so I'm gonna get probably some chicken shawarma or something like that, or the likes, and taking the back road to head over to Georgetown to avoid some traffic. In front of me is 14th Avenue South. Well, I'm on 14th Avenue South, but this is Des Moines Memorial Drive that I'm heading left on to get to Georgetown. It's a sunny day. We take these sunny days not for granted, for sure. It's beautiful. It's about 60 degrees. It's dry. We love that in Seattle. So below me is Highway 599, and to the left is northbound to downtown Seattle. They're starting to put these traffic signs, well, at least these digital traffic speed counters, to make sure that you're law abiding. It's only a 25-mile-an-hour zone here. A lot of people treat this road as almost like a highway. So we're gonna come up here, and this next light will be a food truck. Really, it's not really a place. Momo's Kebab is it's like a food truck. So we'll see. On the right side is CMAR Community Health Center. This is where a lot of the folks who don't have an insurance go to. They're very good medical offices here, very professional. So coming up here fairly soon is Momo's on the right, so we're gonna turn right here. It's just a nondescript right there kebab place. I'm just gonna park here. I'm gonna park around here. By the way, I'm still recovering from my mishap. I took a spill on my bicycle, unfortunately. It's about a month ago, so that's been a while since I posted anything. I actually went over my handlebar, did a somersault, and broke my collarbone. As a result, I was off work, unfortunately. Still kind of recovering from it. That's why I'm going to be putting on this sling. So anyway, but it could be worse. That's what I always say. So fortunately now I am able to function somewhat. So let's get out here and get over to Momo's. Momo's Kebab. And make sure I cross the road safely here, because so many crazy stuff going on these days. So here's Momo's here. I'm just gonna get I think the chicken shawarma rice plate sounds good to me. Alright, now you know where Momo's Kebab is. Have a good day, everybody.